Welcome to VONNIE TALK. Today, I would like to introduce our company information. Our company brand is FangRong brand. Actually, our company set up since 1999, and until now already have 25 years experience. We mainly focus in manufacturing drawing machine, straightening machine, and pointing machine. For our pointing machine, they have different models. First model is the rotatory pointing machine, also called the 4-type pointing machine. Second type is the hydraulic 6-die pointing machine. Third type is the hydraulic 4-die pointing machine. Fourth type is the hydraulic 3-die pointing machine. And for the straightening machine, they have the different model for the different range of the OD and the wall thickness. Actually, different material, the hardness is different, so we will recommend the different type of the straightening model to you. For the straightening machine, they have two types. They have the traditional manual straightening machine. Another type is the servo straightening machine. Also, those two types straightening machine can equip to the automatic loading station and unloading station. Actually, in those years, in 2025, they have 18% customer choose the automatic type straightening machine because the labor cost increasing. After you choose the automatic loading station and unloading station for the straightening machine, that will increase the efficiency for the straightening machine. Use the automatic line that will instead 2 workers for 1 set straightening machine. For the cold draw machine, we have different types. Have the chain type, hydraulic type, and manual type, semi-automatic type, and the full automatic type. Also, that the cold draw machine is customized based on customer requirements. For the effective length of the drawing machine is customized, designed based on your requirement. Mostly is 6 meter, 8 meter, 10 meter, 12 meter, 20 meter difference. So if you are interested in the pointing machine, straightening machine, and the drawing machine, I believe that we can provide the technology to you for different type of the machine. And based on our rich experience in this field, we can give you the different suggestions in the production process.